So I just got this coffee bar or entryway table from Nesture. The assembly process was very easy. Everything was nicely labeled for me. There really wasn't that many pieces. You just kind of follow along and they give you all the tools that you need to get this thing put together. I did it by myself. I had it done in about an hour. If you have somebody helping you, I bet you can get this thing done in 45 minutes or less. It's really that simple. And here's what the finished product is going to look like. And what's cool about this is it could be used for a bunch of different things. So personally, I'm using it for a coffee bar, but you could use it as an entryway table. It could be a small TV stand in your bedroom. Just kind of whatever you want to use it for, it would be great because it's got storage, it's got surface space, and it does have outlets on top, which I'll show you in a little bit. But before I do that, I do want to go over the craftsmanship of this furniture piece. So I do a bunch of different furniture on here, and personally, I love when brands kind of have their unique style that they put on this, and this is exactly that. I love the patterns on the front. All the wood is just a cool finish. It's smooth. You can rub your fingers on it. It feels great, and it honestly looks great. It looks like that all the way around the piece, inside the drawers, inside the cabinet. You know, there's no areas where it's just like a flat piece of wood or it looks different. So whatever way you're going to look at this, it's going to come off looking good. And now for some of my favorite features of this coffee bar, entryway table, however you want to use it. So you have a bunch of storage space up top. So like I said, you can use it however you think is best fit for your house. There is going to be a drawer here. And what's cool about this is it's pretty big, but the bottom is wood. So if you want to put some heavier things in there, no problem. It will be able to hold it. On the bottom here, you're going to have a bunch of storage. This shelf is flexible, so if you want to move it up higher, you can do that. If you want to move it down lower, you can do that, or just take it out altogether. That is totally up to you, so you can kind of use this space however you seem fit, which I think is really cool. Up top, they're going to have a full charging station, 2 full outlets, and 2 USB ports, with one of them being a USB-C charger. So I like to plug my coffee maker in there and my cell phone, but you can do whatever you think would be best for you. I've also found this to be pretty sturdy, so they do give you a tip kit if you would like to install that into your wall. Personally, I did not do that, and I have no issue. I can put my full weight on it. I can take the drawer out, push it down. This thing doesn't move around at all, but if you are worried about it, they do give you a tip kit. Maybe you're going to put a big TV on this or something. You might want to do that. But overall, I love this piece. It looks great in my house. Like I said, you could use it in a bunch of different ways, which I think is so cool. So I give this 2 thumbs up.